Hello friends, welcome to the accounting school. We are already in June and we all are geared up for the preparation of computations. So for that the important documents from the income tax website are 26 AIS, TIS and AIS. So let us see today how to download the same. So you have to log in the income tax portal, and then in the e-file tab you can find 26 A's written there. So you click on there and then the site will guide you, and then you have to select the assessment tier and you have to select view as. So select HTML. So once you view that, you can then if you want to view online, you can view here, or else you can do export as PDF, so that the PDF would be saved, and then you can view it later in from your folder. So then for AIS, on the menu bar it is written AIS. You can click there and select the year whichever you want, and if the information is more, then it will show you to go to the activity report bar, from where you can download AIS. And similarly TIS also, there is a tab just next to AIS, and from there you can download TIS as well. So both 26 A's and AIS TIS, that is annual information statement and tax information statement, are important for filing income tax returns, because there are certain informations like advance tax payments which now do not appear in 26 A's. You have to pick it up from AIS only. The password to open TIS, that is tax information statement, is your PAN number followed by the date of birth, and the PAN number is to be put in small letters. So hope these small clips are useful to you for filing the return. So happy filings. See you in the next video. Thank you.